Dreamy fell off his chair. Dreamy. Of course, I couldn't catch on the camera. Now, tonight, I cannot capture his beautiful blue eyes. I have to do it in the daytime because look at me, Dreamy. Look at me. No, you don't want to look at me.
Creambo, creambo. Zuko, zuko. Yeah.
Oh, purple. Oh, yes, purple. Dreamy has a tricky story. He was a liar from the beginning. He was born all white, a ball, a white fur. And he ended up later getting spots. He doesn't want to share the chair with you. What's wrong? What's wrong, Dreamy? You don't want to spend time with Zuko? You upset? He got in the chair with you? Oh. Tony? It's me again. You are scared of the woods, aren't you? Something happened to your mama. If you want tonight, you can hide here in the blackberry bush. You be nice. You be nice. He was trying to kiss you through the screen. So he is a good boy.